If you want to earn lots and lots of money online like this bundle of cash, stay with us because you can easily earn this much by following some steps. Can you imagine you can make $300 per hour by a simple website on your computer? I know you must think I am lying right now, but in today's video, I will show you guys the whole process of this opportunity. Please try to listen carefully to understand this strategy. You must follow all of these steps extremely carefully to make lots and lots of money. Your results may vary. You may earn a lot more than I have earned, equal to what I have earned, and less than I have earned. But you will definitely earn money only if you follow my video carefully. If you watch each second of this video, there will be no one stopping you from earning money. But if you do not watch this video completely and skip it from time to time, then you will be distancing yourself from earning money online. Before jumping into the 3 steps, which I'm going to show you in a moment, I would like to thank you guys for showing so much love and support on my previous videos. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. I will request you watch this video until the very end to get the full benefits. Let me give you guys a short idea of how this strategy works. There are 3 simple steps. The first is using Google Translate to produce cash. In the second step, I will show you the 3 websites that will pay you a huge number of dollars in a minimum amount of time. In step 3, I'm going to show you my thousands of dollars per day on a pilot system. But that is a step which I'm going to tell in the end. And for that purpose, you will have to watch the full video to understand it properly. Now I want you to open Google Translate. And no, Google Translate will not be paying you money. But the other 3 websites I will show you in a moment will surely make you money. And these 3 websites that I'm about to show you are ranked in the order of making you the least to the most dollars. One of the coolest features about this Google Translator is that it can type down anything it hears. This is called transcription, which means that when you speak into it, it will automatically type it down. You can simultaneously translate it into any other language. As you can see, I am speaking here in English and transcribing it for me. You can also see that it is translating it into French as well. You can also see that it can translate into any other language as well, like Arabic, Spanish, Italian, and etc. Let me explain how it works. Many businesses and companies need transcription services, so they pay you if you can translate what you hear. You can imagine how simple it is. Also, you can easily make a good amount of money. Do not worry if you don't know French, because you won't be doing anything. All your work will be done through Google Translate and is completely free. So whatever money you would be earning wouldn't require any of your efforts. You just need to let Google Translate make all the efforts by itself. In the second step, I will share those 3 websites that pay you hundreds of dollars. The first website I will show you right now is not the highest paying, but it is at least something with which you can start right now. Just head over to Google and type in GoTranscript.com. This website pays you 60 cents per audio minute or video minute. The average earnings on this website are not so much. But the top earning, which is almost $1,200, is what you are going to achieve. This is not much, but it will definitely help as a side hustle. What you are going to do now is simply apply for sign up. You can directly work from your bed and work flexible hours. You can work the whole day, and the other day, you can work only at night. It means you can also work for a couple of hours in the day. So it is up to you how much work you want to put into it. You'll be thinking about the payments. So don't worry because you will be paid directly into your PayPal account every week. Now, let me share with you the second website. It is called GMRTranscription.com. As you can see on this website, this is the second highest paying website. You can also have a look at the LinkedIn profile of the founder of this website, and he aims to provide quality transcriptions. This shows this website is genuine to make real cash. You're going to help him fulfill his goal. In return, you will make money for yourself. That is for sure that you can earn up to $3,000 per month on this website. You can see on this website that it is working with major brands like Amazon, Dell, and many more. This website pays more for Spanish transcriptions. So this is where Google Translate is going to come in handy. You will use this free Google tool and make lots of money through it. You can also see that many people are doing remote jobs with flexible hours, earning lots of money, and enjoying life. This, along with the first website, makes up a total of $4,000. And there is still a website remaining, which I'm going to show you in a moment. So please keep watching this video and feel free to ask any questions if you have any. The last site that now I am going to show you is the highest paying site of them all. This website is called rev.com. I have friends who have been using this website for hiring transcriptionists. This website has bigger businesses, including CBS, Viacom, PBS, and TCM. This means that there's actually big money to be made here. Now, what would you need to do in order to start making money? You would need to apply to their website to become a transcriptionist, which is the amount of money they charge per minute, $1.25. They charge even more for subtitles, costing around $3 to $7 per minute. Now, in the final step, I would like you to scroll all the way down and click on Careers. Now, you need to select freelancing jobs. And here you go. Using your laptop, desktop, or cell phone, you can work from home. You only need an internet connection, Google Translate, and an urge to earn money online. Create yourself a free schedule and start earning money online. When you scroll down, you can see how many different people are making. A transcriptionist gets paid 30 cents to $1.10 per minute. A captioner is getting paid up to $2. And if you scroll down even a bit more, you will see the option of Know a Foreign Language. By clicking on this, you will be able to get paid up to $3 to $5 per minute. This is what you're going to select. And you do not need to know any foreign language because you will be using this free of cost Google Translate to get the job done for you. That is all for today's video, and I hope you guys understood this whole process. It has only 3 simple steps to make yourself financially independent. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the thumbs up button to support us. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, peace.